Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at my new video editing setup. So let's get started. So we can start off by taking a look at the desk. The desk I have here is from Toronto Office Furniture. The drawer on the left hand side is from IKEA. It is a standard 4-drawer unit. It did have wheels, but I did not attach them, and it fits nicely under this desk. The desk is a table desk, but it does feature very sturdy metal legs, so you can put up to 250 pounds of weight on this tabletop. The clean white ultra-wide surface is great for fitting all of my video editing equipment. So my Mac Pro was giving me some troubles when editing video, and I wasn't about to break the bank on the iMac Pro, so the next best thing for me was to choose the maxed out iMac 27-inch. I have been using this unit for a few weeks now, and it's been great. It's handled all of my video editing needs and workstation tasks beautifully, way better than the trash can Mac Pro has. So feel free to stick around for my review of this iMac, where I go ahead and compare this to the Pro desktop computers from Apple. On the right hand corner of my desk, I keep my Mac Pro, which is currently in use as a server. Now we're going to go over some of the things that I keep on my desk that keep me more productive. So we can take a look at my peripherals. I am using the 2nd generation Apple keyboard, Magic Mouse, and trackpad. I've got this really cool iPhone stand that resembles the stand of the iMac, so it's really cool because it matches my setup. Both the iMac and the stand are the same brushed aluminum metal and silver, and it's great to be able to see all of my notifications while I'm working on videos. Next to that, I have my LaCie hard drive and my Apple Time Capsule, which was recently discontinued, so that's quite sad, but I'm still using it as my main NAS for backing up all of my files. And over here I have my G-Tech Thunderbolt drive that I use for storing most of my video files and use as a scratch disk for editing. Overall, this is a very clean and minimalistic setup that's great for getting my video editing work done. So that's it for this video. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!